Hello and welcome to another EXAIR video. Normally in these videos we are discussing tips and tricks with EXAIR products or giving better explanations of how to safely and efficiently utilize compressed air. Today, however, I would like to discuss a free service that EXAIR offers to users within the United States and Canada. The EXAIR Efficiency Lab helps participants to find an engineered solution. We will measure the sound, force, and air consumption of your current process or air product and suggest an engineered solution which will reduce air consumption and noise while increasing safety. Whether there is a need to reduce sound level to meet OSHA requirements in a work area, or reduce harmful dead-end pressures to ensure blow-offs meet or exceed OSHA standards, or even reduce energy waste and cost from the current applications, EXAIR has a solution. All we need is the current nozzle or air blowing device and some basic information on the use, such as operating pressure and length of time used. We will then test your products and our engineered solutions under the same variables to give a true apples-to-apples comparison. All testing is performed using calibrated equipment and standardized procedures. A detailed report including a comparison table will be included to the applicant, and no information will be shared elsewhere without permission. This report can also include information such as sound level reductions, return on investment calculations, and other recommendations to help further improve processes. This service, the report, and even return shipping of your product is all included for free from the team here at EXAIR. To discuss further, please contact an application engineer. Thanks and have a great day.